Namaskara. This is a video on the Enuu variations. As you know, Enuu means what, but this Enuu can be modified to give other meanings, and this video is about that. Okay, so what are the Enuu variations? I'll just straight away go to the examples, and you will automatically understand. Enuu means what? So, Nimma hesaru Enu. What is your name? This is the basic usage, right? But Enuu can be used in other by modifying the suffix. It can be used in many other context. Second one, Enu is the second form. This is Enu, right? The U is Harsva. But when you make the U as Dirgha, Enu, right? Then it means anything at all. Okay? So ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. I have nothing to say. Right? In other words, because illa is there, that's why it becomes nothing. So enu illa means anything no. Anything no means nothing. Okay. So nanu helakke enu illa means I have nothing to say. Then eno, right? This is eno. Eno means something. ಏನೋ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದವಳು ಏನೂ ಹೇಳದೆ ಹೋದಳು. She came to say something but went away saying nothing. So this enu is here again enu helade, because it's used in the negative form. We are putting here nothing. So actually it is enu helade means anything at all, not telling. Helade, without telling. This helade means without telling. This is the negative participle, right? So enu helade means anything at all without telling. That you can say as saying nothing. Okay, so that's the second example. Third example, a no. Okay, so this is an example which contains a no and a nu. And the next one, Enaadaru. Enaadaru means something again. So ತುಂಬಾ ಹಸಿವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡಿ. I'm feeling very hungry, give me something to eat. That's your Enaadaru. Enaadaru means anything at all, something, right? That's what this Enaadaru means. So here, so we say ತುಂಬಾ ಹಸಿವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. Look at the usage. ಹಸಿವು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. You put it in what you call compact form and say ತುಂಬಾ ಹಸಿವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. Means you are in the present continuous tense, right? So you're saying ತುಂಬಾ ಹಸಿವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ means ಹಸಿವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, so you are presently feeling hungry. That's why you're using the present continuous tense. So ತುಂಬಾ ಹಸಿವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ, to eat. Okay, ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ, infinitive mode. ಏನಾದರೂ, something at all. ಕೊಡಿ, right? ಏನಾದರೂ means something at all. It's like that. So feeling very hungry, give me something to eat. Okay, then. ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Everything happened very fast. Ella means all. Okay, everything happened very fast. ಬೇಗನೆ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. I was not able to do anything. Nade is to walk literally, but nade is for, you can use it for something that is occurring also, something that is happening. So ella bege, ella tumba bege, bega ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು also you can put instead of ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು or ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. I was not able to do anything. ನೀವು ಏನೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು. You don't have to say anything. I know everything. ನೀವು ಏನೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಡ. So you have to say ಏನೂ, right? So here it is not what. If you make it dirgha, it becomes anything. You don't have to say anything. I know everything. ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆಪ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಡುಪು ತಗೊಳ್ಳು. Give some excuse. ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆಪ. Nepa means excuse. So some excuse, random excuse you give. There you will use ಏನಾದರೂ. ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆಪ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು, today, take leave. Okay, ಬಿಡುಪು ತಗೊಳ್ಳು. Then ನೀವು ಏನು ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. You don't worry about anything. I will take care. ಏನು, So ನೀವು ಏನು ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. So you could say that this ಏನು is always used in that negative sentences. ನೀವು ಏನು ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ comes. So don't worry about anything. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ means I will take care. ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿನಗೆ ಏನು? I will do something, what do you care? So ninage enu is a expression to say what do you care, how do you care, what is it for you, like that, right? So that is your ninage enu. So nanu enadaru something, I will do something, random thing, ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, I will do some random thing, what do you care? ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ವಿಷಯ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ. I have something to say, but you seem to be busy. So this is how you say it in Kannada. ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ವಿಷಯ ಇದೆ. ಏನೋ means something is there. Here you should not say ಏನಾದರೂ. ಏನಾದರೂ means you are not clearly specifying anything, right? There you will use ಏನಾದರೂ. Here ಏನೋ means I have something to say, right? There you will use ಏನೋ. You have not specified what you are going to say, but it is one thing that you are going to say, right? But you have not described it. There you will use ಏನೋ. Okay, ಏನೋ. ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ವಿಷಯ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ. This ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ means I think, it seems like you are busy, right? So that's your ಅನಿಸು ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ. Okay, then ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. So if I ask something, you are getting angry. This something here is Enaadaru. If I ask anything at all, it need not be a specific question. If I ask any question, you are getting angry. ನೀವು ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. So ಮನಸ್ಸು ಏನೋ ಆತಂಕ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I am feeling anxious for something, some unknown reason. So here ಮನಸ್ಸು ಏನೋ ಆತಂಕ means anxious. ಆತಂಕ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆತಂಕ ಪಡು means feeling anxious, right? ಆತಂಕ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನೋ, here again ಏನೋ is used as like there is something in my mind that is causing me to feel anxious. Then ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು is a question. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Then answer is ನೀವು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕು. The question is what should I do? Answer, you don't have to do anything. ನೀವು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. If you ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರು means to not do anything, to be quiet. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕು, right? ಸಾಕು is enough. If you just keep quiet, that is enough. So as you could see, ಏನು can be used in the ಏನು, the word what, can be modified and used in various contexts. So please run through this video a few more times to really understand this context, because these are all very commonly used in spoken Kannada, right? This ಏನು, ಏನೂ, ಏನೋ, ಏನಾದರೂ, all four are very commonly used. So you need to understand their context and how it is being used. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.